Good morning, children. This is class 4 social studies, and in this video, I am talking and explaining about chapter number 2, almanac. Okay, and almanac means calendar. Okay, so we had already discussed few points, and in the last video, I had started the about we all had started about studying the Gregorian calendar. Okay, that is called Christian calendar also, which is acceptable all over the world. Okay, and which this calendar is solar calendar. Solar, why? Because there is a total 365 days, means 1 year. The time which the earth takes to take one round around the sun. That is why it is called solar calendar. It gives you the report of the 365 days, means one whole year. Okay, and based on 365 days, the common year divided into 12 months, or this calendar is shows 12 months, January to December, and of irregular lengths, means all the duration or the number of the days is not same. Somewhere it is 30, 31. Okay, that is why it is called irregular. Now we come to the next part of this lesson, and on page number 15, starting from the top. Okay, so from here I am starting today's lesson, and we are talking about, I just again want to remind you, Gregorian calendar. Okay, which is called a Christian calendar, which we usually keep in our homes, and it is used all over the world. Okay, so the 11 months of a year have either 30 or 31 days each, while the second month, February, has only 28 days during the common year. 11 months जो है उनमें या तो 30 days होते हैं या 31 days होते हैं, and only the second month, that is February, in the beginning of the year, has only 28 days during the common year. Okay. However, after every 4 years, there is a leap year when an extra or intercalary day is added to February, making the leap year in the Gregorian calendar of 366 days long. And after every fourth year, there are one extra days added in the month of February, which makes the month of February of 29 days. Okay, so 2016 was a leap year, then 2020 last year was a leap year, and now 2024 will be a leap year. Okay, after then 28, then 32, in this way it will go. So last year we had 29 days in month of February, and that is called leap year. Okay, so the Gregorian calendar's predecessor, the Julian calendar, was replaced because it was too inaccurate. और ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर से पहले जो कैलेंडर आया था, दैट वाज जूलियन कैलेंडर, उसको रिप्लेस कर दिया गया, हटा दिया गया था, बिकॉज इट वाज इनएक्यूरेट. वो सही नहीं था, एक्यूरेट नहीं था, सही नहीं था, मतलब इनक्यूरेट. देयर वर सम शॉर्ट कमिंग्स इन दैट वाज नॉट accurate. It was inaccurate. Okay, it did not properly reflect the actual time taken by the earth to circle once around the sun, known as a tropical year. This is what, children, this is what I told you right now, that Gregorian calendar is also called solar calendar, because सोलर कैलेंडर का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे, कि ये पूरा 1 year का पिक्चर हमें शो करता है, पूरा एस्टिमेट देता है, बिकॉज द सेम टाइम 365 days the earth takes to take one round around the sun. Okay, तो जिस जूलियन कैलेंडर जो था वो उतना करेक्ट टाइम नहीं बता रहा था, इसलिए इट वाज इनएक्यूरेट. ओके, this Gregorian calendar was more accurate. That is why it is still used all over the world. Who designed the calendar? अब ये क्वेश्चन आया कि किसने ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर क्या है, किसने इसको डिज़ाइन किया, किसने बनाया. ठीक है. Although the Gregorian calendar is named after Pope Gregory 13, this Roman number is 1310 plus 3111 13. It is an adaptation of the calendar designed by Italian doctor, astronomer and philosopher Luigi Galileo. Lilio, yes, Lilio. The name is different. Lilio होगा ये, इसको हम लोग इस तरह से बोलेंगे, Lilio. Okay, this is a French name, also known as Aloysius Lilius. So ये कहा जाता है कि ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर जो है, जो कि पोप ग्रेगरी के नाम से डाला गया है, नाम से, इट इज़ फेमस विद द एज द नेम ऑफ द नेम ऑफ पोप ग्रेगरी, बट इट वाज डिज़ाइन बाई, ये कहा जाता है कि इट इज़ एन एडेप्टेशन, यानी कि ये एक्चुअली इसको डिज़ाइन किसने किया था? इटालियन डॉक्टर, एक इटालियन डॉक्टर था जिनका नाम ये था लुइगी लिलियो, एंड ही वॉज एस्ट्रोनॉमर ऑल्सो and philosopher also. So he was born around 1510 and died in 1576, 6 years before the calendar was officially introduced. And this French man was born in this time 1510 and died after 66 years, 1576, 6 years before his calendar was ऑफिशियली इंट्रोड्यूस, और अपनी डेथ से पहले ही वो 6 years पहले ही डाइड बिफोर हिज कैलेंडर वॉज ऑफिशियली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, नाउ वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज चिल्ड्रन. ऑलराइट, नाउ हियर we will see about some other calendar which is called Sak calendars. Although it is written Saka, but it is Sak calendar. This is another calendar which is popular in India. You can say it is popular in India, Sak calendar. Okay, I can show you the picture of this Sak calendar here. Some of the children must have this calendar in the house. इसमें हिंदी में नंबर्स लिखे रहते हैं, उसमें पर इवन द पोजीशन ऑफ द मून इज गिवन देयर, और कृष्ण पक्ष, शुक्ल पक्ष, ये सब लिखा होता है कि कितने दिन को चांद की क्या स्थिति है, मून की क्या स्थिति है, एंड यू कैन सी दैट दिस. ओके, एंड इट इज़ टोटली इन हिंदी नंबर्स, यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर. ऑलराइट, साक कैलेंडर क्या है हम लोग इसमें देखें. आई हैव शोन यू द पिक्चर, इट इज़ गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 16 ऑफ Sak calendar. The Sak calendar is official civil calendar used in India. Especially the people, I must say, some Hindu priests especially use this calendar because they see the condition of the moon, कि क्या कौन सा दिन है, शुक्ल पक्ष कौन सा है, because they have to tell many things and many things they have to decide. So they have to see the condition and the days of the no moon and full moon and the period during the full moon and new moon situation. So they usually keep, and some people also keep this calendar in the house. Even I have also got one calendar of this sort in my home. Somebody had given. So कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ों को देखने के लिए वो this calendar is very useful. Okay, तो but the dates are different in that. We will discuss it in this video. The Sak calendar is an official civil calendar used in India. इंडिया में यूज़ किया जाता है. It is used alongside the Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar के साथ इसे भी यूज़ किया जाता है by the Gazette of India and the calendars and communications issued by the government of India. और because some festivals जो है वो decide किए जाते हैं, as I must tell you that some festivals are fixed or due to the position of the moon, especially to for that fixing the date for those events or festivals, we can say this calendar is usually consulted. इसको कंसल्ट किया जाता है, उसको देखा जाता है, because only we can see the position of the moon in this Sak calendar especially. So Indian Gazette जो है, Gazette of India जो है वो बहुत सी चीज़ों के इशू करने के लिए, लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए इस कैलेंडर का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड पीपल ऑल्सो कीप दिस कैलेंडर टू वेरीफाई द फैक्ट्स or the coming dates, coming festival, coming event, position of the moon also, fixing the marriage also, that the day will be suitable, वो कौन सा दिन होगा कि कहीं the date which we are fixing for the marriage should not be a no moon day, अमावस की रात नहीं होनी चाहिए, it should be auspicious day. So all this all can be seen in the Sak calendar only. So that is also useful, fixing up or keeping some another auspicious occasion for the children also. मुंडन ceremony जैसे करनी है तो which day will be suitable, which day, which month. Okay, so this is also useful to consult few things, few events especially. And besides such formal purposes, this calendar is not very widely used. बट फॉर्मल पर्पसेस के लिए है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ना कि फिक्सिंग अप सम डेट्स, स्पेशली मैरिज एंड और एनी अदर सेरेमनी, रिलीजियस सेरेमनी ऑल्सो. सो दिस कैलेंडर इज कंसल्टेड स्पेशली, एंड अदरवाइज इट इज़ नॉट वाइडली यूज. बहुत ज़्यादा इसका इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है. इट इज़ नॉट यूज ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. इट इज़ ओनली फॉर इंडियन पीपल. ओके, इन इंडिया इवन द अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो डोंट यूज इट, स्पेशली. And we can see that the months of the Sak calendar, here they are starting. The first month of the Sak calendar is Chaitra, then Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyesht, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Posh, Magh and Phagun. Okay, it is according to this all the 12 months. And you remember this first month of the Sak calendar is Chaitra. Okay, Chaitra. Okay, so ये है इस तरीके से. और we can show that Gregorian calendar में month of Chaitra is March, you see, then Vaishakh April, then Jyesht May, Ashadh is June, then like this only. Okay, इस तरीके से है. And it goes to February and starting again from March. ठीक है, in the beginning. So it is like this. Here the names of the months are written according to the Saka calendar, because Chaitra is the first month, which is March in the Gregorian calendar. So here this list is not starting from January, it is starting according to this month, because in the Sak calendar the first month is Chaitra. So you must know okay. Now we will see some part of that lesson here also in the end of this table. In leap years, Chaitra has 31 days and it starts on March 21st instead. ये जो मंथ्स होते हैं, ये जो साक कैलेंडर के जो मंथ्स होते हैं, दे डोंट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नंबर फर्स्ट. इट मे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मिडल ऑफ द मंथ. सपोज वन मंथ विच इज शोइंग साक कैलेंडर इज मे बी द हाफ मंथ ऑफ द अदर मंथ एंड हाफ मंथ ऑफ द नेक्स्ट मंथ. ओके, इट मे बी लाइक दिस. As in the Gregorian calendar, every month starts from number 1 and ends up either around 30th or 31 days. In leap year, Chaitra has 31 days and starts on March 21st instead. The month in the first half of the year has 31 days. Okay, this is the difference. You see that यहाँ से आप यहाँ तक देखिए, half of the year that there are 31 days in the month of in the Saka calendar, and the rest of the months have 30 days. But things are different here in the Gregorian calendar. इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. You may see the or consult the calendar in your home also. January has 31 days, then February 28 days, then March 31 days, then April again 30 days, May 30 days, June again 30 days. then July 31 days, August 31 days, September has 30 days, and October 31 days, November again has 30 days, and December has 31 days. So सीक्वेंस ऐसा नहीं है कि हाफ ऑफ हो के हाफ ऑफ द ईयर हैज़ 31 days और हाफ द ईयर as it is shown in the Saka calendar, children. So difference is there in Gregorian calendar. Okay. And the months in the first half of the year have in the Saka calendar 31 days to take into account the slower movement of the sun across the ecliptic at this time. ये बताया जा रहा है कि एक्लिप्स कहते हैं ना इसको, ग्रहण को जिसको बोलते हैं एक्लिप्टिक एट द टाइम. ओके. इसमें ये शो किया गया है कि फर्स्ट हाफ हैज़ 31 days because these months take longer time because the only because of the slower movement of the earth around the sun. Okay, so children, I am finishing this chapter here now. Okay, thank you.